So right at the top, you have the two arms, the instruction manual, and the tools. Then you have your two seats here, the bottom cushion. This little box in the corner was super heavy, so just be careful if you have back issues. And then the back cushion. So as you'll see, the first step is to put together the base, the legs of the chair. Really easy to just pop those on. There are two screws per leg that really lock it into place. All of the parts are labeled, so it makes it really easy to know which screws you're going to be using for each step. And it comes with this included Allen wrench, which truly is the only tool that you need. I had a little bit of a hard time popping these wheels on, and what I found really worked is that you'll notice that there's a part in the wheel that's flat. So if you push down on the flat part of the wheel, not the actual round part of the wheel, you'll have much more luck getting these in quicker than I did. Now, once you've installed the little hydraulic lift part, it's time to move on to the seat cushion. Just so you know, when you're putting this metal piece on, the knob is going to be closest to the front of the cushion. Also know that once you screw it in, it's going to take a little muscle to really get it in. It's going to pop up on the edges, but you will be able to get it down. You'll just need to muscle it in. And the seat just fits right on top here, and you'll see it has a nice spin to it. So now it's time to work on the arms. Now, once I figured out which way these arms went in, I found the right screws and just really installed them. I mean, I went for it. So this was my first mistake. Do not tighten the arms all the way. Only tighten these arms in 50%. You're going to need that leeway when you're putting the back of the chair on. This part was a little tricky. I kind of had to balance the back on my leg. So if you had another person around to help you hold the back up, I do think it would make this process a lot easier. I also found that inserting the bottom screw first and then the top screw was the easiest way to get the back attached. And there you go, it's done and super comfy.
Hey everyone, Franny here, and I wanted to show you this executive chair from Ralex Chair Company. This is designed for big and tall customers. We initially got it from my brother-in-law, who is big and tall, and he ended up getting a job outside of the home, so he didn't need it, and I got to keep it, which I'm very excited about. So I wanted to show you some of the features of it today and also show how it really works for all body shapes and sizes. So the first thing that I wanted to mention is that the texture of it is so soft, made of this very soft leather. And as you can see here, it has this really large lumbar pillow. This offers incredible support. I mean, this is like truly one of the most comfortable chairs I've ever sat in. I work from home, so comfort is big time important to me, and this chair is just killing it in that department. You'll also notice that this part that comes around the back of the head is in a nice alignment with this lumbar section, which is great, so it doesn't have that annoying feature where the headrest comes forward. This has been fantastic to alleviate that issue that I usually have with office chairs. The armrests do come up on both sides, so you can use the chair in various options, and you will see that it does have quite a bit of space here. The seat is very large and roomy, and it spins really nicely, and it also, of course, has a mechanism to bring it up and down. And here's my absolute favorite part of this chair. I'm sure you've seen the trend of the home office chairs where you can sit cross-legged. It's becoming a whole big thing. Well, this chair offers that option in an incredibly comfortable way. So because of how roomy the seat is, I can very easily sit cross-legged here. And what's great is I also have these armrests, so it offers me that extra stability in this pose. And then of course I have that delicious lumbar support in the back, which makes this chair just exceptionally comfortable. Now this chair will accommodate up to 500 pounds, so it's a great option if you are big and tall. But even if you aren't, it's an incredibly comfortable, luxurious feeling chair, and it's been a tremendous addition to my home office setup. So I hope that this was helpful, and good luck in your shopping.